Good morning, children. Class 10th. Let us continue Statistics Part 3. Today you will learn how to find out mod of group data. Now, on the basis of it, let me discuss with you first formula. What is formula of mod? You can see here, mod is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L means lower limit of model class, F1 frequency of model class, F0 frequency of pre-model class, F2 frequency of post-model class, and H is width of model class. Here, how to decide model class? For this, let's take a question. Question is, a student noted number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Table is already given to you now. Number of cars and frequency. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and this is continued till 70 to 80. Here we have to find out mod of this data. You can see here in frequency, maximum frequency is 20. That's why this is called model class. In this case, maximum frequency is 20. That's why it is model class. And in this model class, we have to choose lower limit of this model class, which is 40. That's why I have written here L is 40. And F1 frequency of model class is 20. You can see I have written 20 here. F0 frequency of the pre-model class, that is 12. F2, that is frequency of the post-model class, that is 11. And H is width of the model class. You can see the difference between them, that is 10. Now afterwards, we have to write the formula and substitute all the values. After substituting it, we are getting here, after simplification, we are getting here 44.705, which is mod of this group data. Now, let us discuss problems based on finding the missing frequency when the mod is given to you. In this question, you can see the mod of the following series is 36. Find the missing frequency f in this. As mod is given to you 36 and 36 lies in 30 to 40, that's why this is called model class. And therefore 30 to 40, in this we have to choose lower limit, which is 30. F1 frequency of the model class, that is 16. And F0 frequency above the model class, that is F. F2, which is frequency post model class, that is 12. And width of the class interval is 10. Formula you know. Let us substitute the values. Mod already given to you, that's why we have written 36. 30 is shifted here. After calculation, we are getting 30 minus 36 minus 30, and this is as it is. And then after calculations, we are getting here f is 10, which is missing frequency. Similarly, how to find out missing frequency? Determine missing frequencies P and Q from the following data when the mod is 67 and total frequency is 47 given to you. In this question, we have to find out two missing frequencies. But mod is 67, which is lying between 60 and 70. That's why model class we know that is model class. And by using it, we can find out all the values of L, F1, F0, F2, and H. And let us substitute the values in the formula. We are getting this equation. And but what is given to you? Sum of frequencies, that is sigma fi is 47. By adding, we are getting 27 plus p plus q 47. 27 shifted here. Therefore, p plus q is 20. One equation is this, and other equation is this. We can solve these two equations by any method, either substitution method or elimination. Here we are applying elimination method. By elimination method, which you have done in pair of linear equations in two variables, we are getting the value of p is 8 and q is 12. So in this way, we are finding missing frequencies. Now next is median of group data. Median is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L is lower limit of the median class, CF is cumulative frequency of pre-median class, H is width of median class, F is frequency of the median class, and N is sigma Fi, sum of frequencies. For this, let's take this table. In this table, what we have done, first we got N, which is sigma Fi 80 divided by 2, that is 40. 40 in this table, cumulative frequency, we have to see here, 40 is lying after 28. That's why it is called median class. And in this median class, we have to choose lower limit, which is 30. And n by 2, we have CF, cumulative frequency, premium median class, and width of the class, that is 10. So by substituting all the values, you can see here what we are getting. 30 plus 40 minus 28 upon 32 into 10. After calculating it, we are getting 3.75. Adding it, 33.75 is median. This is called median of group data. So now you learned median and mode of group data, which is very, very important. Revise them properly and try to do questions from NCERT. Thank you so much.